A very, very warm welcome to all our viewers on Powerful Me. Amazing, awesome to see so many of you giving me your feedbacks that how you're loving this show, and especially you're loving it because these are these wonderful, inspiring people who are coming on this show, and I'm so thankful to each one of them. They are coming here, they are sharing their stories and inspiring us because I also believe that the real time inspiring stories are the ones which we look forward to, and it leaves an impact that if they can do, why not me? So another addition to this series, another very, very respectable, very, very wonderful, amazing human being, and my god, what she has not achieved, I don't know. So without taking much time, help me to welcome amazing woman out here, Mrs. Jay Lakshmi. And I call her ma'am because it's not about the age part of it, but the kind of respect. She's very young at heart and much more energetic than you and me, of course, I think, for sure. But the way she is, amazing work she's doing. So, ma'am, welcome to Powerful Me show. Celebrating womanhood is what we are talking about.
Thank you. Thanks for inviting. So tell me, Parul.
Yes, awesome. So though I know you through so many other networking organizations and stuff like that, but today on my show I want my viewers to know your amazing journey and why you do what you do.
Why you do what you do? See, the thing is, basically, my journey, if you say, young age, basically, I'm from an artistic family. My father is a lyricist, composer, choreographer, and born as an artist. And basically, I was a Bharatanatyam guru, come vocalist. Still, I'm a choreographer. And the thing is, when it was in 1996, 97, basically, as I have done electronics and telecommunication, I am passionate about Tata. Basically, I love Tata's quality and the way how they do business. Got inspired with Tata's quality and my father's discipline. So I thought, why can't I do some business? Because I was not interested in working under someone. So I thought I will do something of my own. So I wanted to do something in this power industry. So I started this Universe Power Systems. So we started with UPS and battery. Today, if you see, we are the total power solution company under one roof. So slowly we started doing three ventures, basically Universe Power System, I'm into IT and power solution,
Super.
and Universe Business Solution, I'm into training, workshop and consultation. And I joined the companies as the external growth consultant and I make them to grow.
Super.
And third one is, that is my starting thing, like, whatever classes I was taking, I changed that into the NGO called Universe Art Foundation,
Wow.
where we help Indian artists in all the challenges. So got including national award, we have got a lot of awards and recognition, and I'm where I'm
Wow.
happy in my life.
Awesome, ma'am. So I do see you very confident, very, bold and beautiful as you are. But, I always feel that that's what a lot of people and because I'm for almost 25 years now as a life skill coach. And sometimes when my coaches are there, they will say, oh, Bharul, come on, you're so confident. Your life is, sorted. So I just want to, highlight here that sometimes this myth is there that, okay, this confident woman, her life must have been very easy. She never faced any challenges. So why don't you share with our viewers, were there any emotional ups and downs in your life? And if there were, what did you do to handle them?
I am asking a simple question, Parul. For example, when the ECG is coming, it is going up and down only. If you are straight, you are dead. If there is no challenges, it is not a life at all. Okay.
Yes.
So always there will be ups and downs, and maybe you can see somebody as a role model. For me, my father is a role model, and I follow all his discipline and whatever he has told till today, I follow that.
Wow.
And
Wow.
no, basically the energy what we are having, even that was from him. And to be frank with you, nobody supported my ventures.
Mhm.
And till today, I'm only handling this alone, and I'm very happy. And every day, my father used to tell that every day you think that you should do something differently, newly, and somebody at least you should help every day. So that both the aspects, if we are thinking, then automatically rest of the things will happen.
Superb. So doing something differently and helping somebody and giving, being a
Yes,
giver. The moment you give
yes,
something to somebody, something comes back to you. And we've heard, read it so many times, heard it so many times. What goes around comes around. And yes,
Yes.
it has helped a lot of us in our life, that when you help somebody, automatically you get a
Yes.
strength to kind of move on. Wow, amazing, ma'am. So like you said, that your father was your role model, right? But I just also want to add on that, suppose, I mean, because as there are some of us, unfortunately, might not have a wonderful childhood, or they did not have people who are encouraging them around you. So what do you think, as celebrating womanhood, as woman power, or as I say, powerful me, what are the tips you like to give to my viewers, that if you do not have anybody around, how can they keep themselves motivated? What can they do? So I'm sure there must be time that, in spite of you having so many inspirations in life, you still got little kind of not so sometimes you got little lost somewhere or something like that. So what do you think, that if they are not having anybody around them, how to motivate, or how to be self motivated?
No, I am just telling you that no, I was not having anybody to motivate me.
Mm-hmm.
So it is very clear that if we are having some passion and we are doing our passion and what we want to do, see, just imagine like how your life should be after 10 years or 20 years, how you want your children to be or where you want to be. Just set a goal. Then automatically rest of the thing we will only get motivated ourselves first of all. Right?
Nice.
And every day, we cannot get somebody to keep motivating us, and we should always get self motivated. And whenever there is something, if you are down, always do something whichever you like for some time. Then automatically, when you come back, then you will get that energy back. And
Superb.
no, you do just do what you love, so you'll be having the full energy.
Wow, you said it all. Yeah. So when you do what you love doing, and secondly, the way ma'am said, that have your energizers, have something, always. What happens when we as women, we start taking different roles in our life, like as a mom, as a wife, or as wherever I'm working, or as a
Fabulous.
businesswoman. Yeah. So what happens is, we
Yeah.
start, we start just living that role. So I think that's what you were saying, that have your own energizers also. Yeah.
No, and one more thing is, see, this is for other people, it is the question is okay, but for women, we need not ask that question because we are basically very good at multitasking
Mm-hmm.
because we are taking care of husband also, mother-in-law also, mother also, everybody.
Yes.
We know what they want. So we are very good at multitasking, and God has given only the women who can manage the home and office, okay, not men. So I'm just telling you, this is for women. If we are thinking that we should do, we can do.
Wow, amazing. And when we have such an inspiration like you, who's doing so many things, two, three ventures, and you've still kept your, love for art alive, and you found a way to live it also, instead of just saying, okay, wow, now I'm into my business, ab to main kuch nahi kar sakti. Instead of that, you really made sure that you keep that artist in you alive. And I'm sure that's what is
Yes.
kicking that thing. So, ma'am, just to conclude, we'll love to hear from you, for our viewers. What is the mantra? What do you think, that what's the mantra of living life fully for you?
No, the thing is, most of the people today, what they feel is when they are getting up, only they are seeing the mobile. Okay. What
Mm-hmm.
I say is just when you are getting up before opening the eyes, just pray 30 seconds, 15 seconds, and then just think about what you want to do today.
Mm.
And maybe before going to bed, also what you have done today, and then what you could have done better.
Super.
And at least make sure that you are done something newly today
Mm.
and you are helping somebody today. So these both the things are happening, then automatically will be energetic every
Wow,
time.
amazing, right? So, as I can just to sum it up, love yourself, believe in yourself, start yourself with a prayer or whatever you believe in, plan your thing in your mind, that okay, this is what I'll do, and end of the day, not to reprimand yourself, but see what better you could have done, and come back next day and try
Yes,
and be better self of your own self, right? So, thank you so
yes,
much, ma'am.
always like it. Yes. Thank you
Yes.
so much for inviting me, Parul. Thank you.
Thank you,
It's
ma'am.
nice talking to you. Thank you
Same
so much.
here. And
Yeah.
I'm sure a lot of my viewers are taking inspiration. And this is my message again to everybody, that if we can do, if I can do, she can do, so can you. So we should not sit on excuses, but take that small little step to move forward. And I'm sure one day we will be there where we want to be. And one thing which I take away from what she said: be a giver, help somebody, and a creator of your own life. So thank you so much, ma'am, for being here. We will
Thank you
re-invite
so
you,
much.
and lots is there still waiting on Powerful Me. Till then, goodbye, and surely we'll come back again with such young, beautiful minded people who are always there to help others and are always wanting to inspire others through their life stories. Thank you, and take care, everybody.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.